Making killer French fries is only the beginning. Step up your cooking game with our favorite piece of cookware. Like most people, I love French fries. However, they're not always the healthiest side option, especially if you're trying to cut back on oil, calories, and fat for a more balanced diet. I used to indulge until I invested in an air fryer. Thanks to the little convection oven that could, healthy-ish French fries are within my grasp. But that's not the only food the air fryer can cook up deliciously. If you're ready to take the leap and get the most from this countertop cooker, here's everything to know, starting with the importance of choosing the correct size. Buying an air fryer that's the right size. If you haven't purchased an air fryer yet, the first decision to make is arguably the most important: what size to get. Air fryers are often measured in quarts, the smallest being around 2.75 and the largest about 8. Because of the wide range of sizes, before buying, check the air fryer's measurements and make sure you have the counter space and wall outlets to accommodate it. Invest in air fryer accessories. When you're cooking French fries in the air fryer, it'll do its best work if each piece of potato is a uniform size. Cutting by hand can be challenging, so my advice is to buy a cutter that'll help you out. It's one of the fastest, easiest to use tools you can add to your kitchen. Plus, additional air fryer accessories such as tongs and meat thermometers can elevate your air frying experience. Shake and flip during the cooking process. For making fries or something similar, tater tots, chicken fingers, Brussels sprouts, and so on, you'll want to give the basket a good shake at least once during the cooking process. This will move the food around and ensure nothing sticks to your air fryer. If you're cooking something like chicken wings, make sure to flip them halfway through the process so they end up perfectly crispy on all sides. Don't overload or layer. Remember, your air fryer is essentially a little oven. If you were cooking, let's say, chicken breasts in a regular oven, you wouldn't stack them on top of one another, would you? No, so it's the same deal here. You'll want to spread them out as best you can and don't overload the basket. And never, ever layer your chicken wings, tenders, or anything of the sort. If you want more room in your air fryer, you can purchase metal racks that can give you double the amount of cooking space. Overloading the air fryer will cause your food to heat unevenly, knocking down the quality of your eats. If you're cooking a lot of food, doing it in batches is best to ensure quality. Adapt oven recipes. If you want to make an old favorite in your air fryer, there's an easy way to adapt nearly every oven recipe for air fryer use. Typically, you'd lower the cooking temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit. If the oven recipe says 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius, the fryer gets set to 325 degrees, 160 Celsius. Similarly, you'll need about 20% less cooking time, though this can certainly vary depending on the kind of food, the cooking temperature, and so on. If you need help with the math, this air fryer calculator is here to help. It'll convert standard cook times and temperatures. Don't forget to clean this specific spot in your air fryer. Though the air fryer can occasionally seem like magic, there's one task it can't handle: cleaning itself. Unfortunately, that step is solely on you. But we've rounded up our best air fryer cleaning tips to help you out, including information about how to clean one of the most forgotten areas of your air fryer. Think outside the box. Yes, French fries and chicken wings are some of our favorite air fryer staples, but you can make many other foods as well. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated.